Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting a clean drive link ready. Upload your video, audio, or image files into a single folder so Alight Motion will import consistently. Once uploaded, change sharing to anyone with link and choose viewer for assets or editor if collaborators need changes. Make sure file formats are compatible with Alight Motion. MP4, PNG, WAV commonly work. After adjusting settings, copy the shareable link and keep it in your clipboard. You'll paste it into the app next. Now open Alight Motion and go to Media, then choose Import. You will paste the Google Drive link into the web URL or URL import field. If Alight Motion fails to fetch, convert the share link into a direct download link by replacing Drive. Google.com/file/d/id/view with Drive. Google.com/uck. Export equals download and ID equals ID. Once the file loads, verify resolution, frame rate, and duration so the timeline matches your expectations. If multiple finish by arranging imported files on the Alight Motion timeline, apply effects, and trim clips to your cut points. When ready, export using the appropriate codec and resolution, then re-upload to Google Drive if you need to share a new version. If Alight Motion cannot access the Drive link during import or playback, make sure sharing is set to anyone with link and try the direct download URL format. Otherwise, download the file locally and import from device storage to avoid network permissions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.